As I've said to you, the last time I did any leading was over body soldering. Hold on. I'll bet you bleeding that before you get in here. Last time I did it was over, I don't know, 30 years ago. So I thought I would video myself doing it, just in case I made a total hash. Now, problem I got two things. One, this is softwood, so I'm having a bit of trouble. Two, I had those stupid plastic gloves on, which I couldn't hold the stick of lead any longer. So, done these, a little bit tricky. Starting to come down here, a little bit tricky. But, I think you can see, you get the gist of it, yeah? Right. Basically, if that was on, the door was off and it's on a flat surface, God, that was so easy to do. But it's not, so. I don't want to do these here yet, because it's above the carburetor. So, I need to move the fire blanket if I'm going to do that. So that'll be on the list. Right. Yeah, I'm not going mad. I'm just going to do, this has already been brazed, so all I'm doing is just trying to stop it rusting for the, well, they like to live with me anyway, I don't think you can. So in theory, all we're doing is, for the people who haven't been watching, put some flux on, which is very important. Now, I've said it previously, I haven't done this for over 30 years, so what I'm doing today is actually quite scary for me, because I haven't got I can't find my hardwood block. Can't find anything other than this bloody thing, which is softwood, and it's not good for doing what I'm doing. So, okay, well, like I said, we're gonna try, and we'll see what happens. It'll either go up in flames or it'll work. I don't know. Have a look anyway. Right, so, this got too hot yesterday for me to hold. It got too hot for me earlier. There you go. I'm getting a flux melted on here very well. This is still contaminated. I would have been in trouble with this one. It's going there. It's getting there. It's getting there. I don't like it. Alright yet. Well, I'll have to see just how. I think there's too much paint on too much of this red oxide paint still. Which is causing me a lot of grief. Right, so let's try the different one. Ready? Here we go. Okay. We're going to melt the flux. There we go. The old days I'd actually rub it off, but in this case I'm not going to. I don't know how to do it. I just wish I had my hardwood block, so then I could actually put it on with the heat, smear it straight level. At the moment I'm trying to use this. It's not working very well. But in theory, it's working well enough for what I want. Because of the bloody great big hole under there, I'm having a bit of an issue with this one. But it's alright. It'll be alright in the end. Remember, I actually put filler into mine because I should have cleaned this off there. Anyway, it's my own fault, I didn't do it. Right, now, I've still got one more piece. I don't like that. Don't like it. No, sorry, I'm going to go back over that. I'll go back over it. I had my block of wood, you see, what I would do now is I'd heat this, and I'd go over it, and I'd just pull it back smooth. At the moment, I'm struggling, because I haven't got my block of wood, and that block of wood it sticks to. So, I'm having to do it, sort of like using the end of a lead stick, which is a little bit, because it wastes a lot of material. Wastes a lot of material, but at the end of the day, it's material I've had for 30 years sitting on the shelf, so I'm not really too worried about losing it. If it works, if it locks its hold up for a while, then you know what? Good on it. This is where I wish I had my bit of wood. What I can do is I can just heat it up and then smear it on. Where I want it. Because I haven't got the right bit of bloody wood, I'm struggling. But again, like British Well said, don't try this at home. Because I'm a trained bodger. Nice. I don't know whether you think that was better or worse. That there needs to go in, doesn't it? Yeah. I just wish I had the right material. I'm going to go to the charity shop tomorrow and buy a chopping board. I'm going to cut some more out of the chopping board. You know, because really that's the only way I'm going to find a piece of hardwood I can use. I don't know where it's gone, but I think over the years the wedge has been used for wedging doors open, wedging windows open where you try and get in cars and block yourself. So, nobody said it was going to be perfect, did they? What they said was I'd do some body solder on the car. Yeah, which is what I've done. So there we go. That's it. Now, what we do now is we get the grinder, or the we're going to get the hand brain thing, and we're going to have a go at. We'll just take the heads off that. We'll just take the heads off, and then basically that's what you do. And you repeat the process again round the front, over every hole you can find, and then you fill it. Now, we got our old rasp now, and then we just go on top of it. So, it's flat for the body line if possible. It's going to be low, whatever happens, so it doesn't matter. It's just what you don't want to do, it's high. You understand that? Because if it's high, then we'll have a problem. At the moment, that there, it's slightly crazy. Alright, good. Real good. In the hood. If you had enough money and you had enough time, then you could do every repair like this on a bare metal car. The only thing is, I haven't got a bare metal car, so for those who think that this is what paying the professionals to do, bring on. Most of the professionals I've seen don't do leading anymore. What they do is fill it. I've seen so many of them do filler and pretend, even on roofs that got pinholes in that should be leaded, they then end up going, no, we filled it. Well, on the patch on the back we filled it. Well, somebody bought that, and somebody's pride and joy. It's a bit sad really, because you know they think that the car's been for a pound profit, and unfortunately it hasn't. No. What I will say to you guys is, there you go, that's it. That's going to get cack in it now. A little bit more. A little bit more difficult. This one's more difficult because I didn't put the flux on it. It tends to pull. It does really well on the hole. Pull on the hole. And actually it's quite thick. So a bit of time taking it off. I'm not really in the mood for it tonight, but anyway, look. I'll take you and show you just quickly. There you go, look. Hole's filled, flatten it off with this file. This one here, got nasty bits filled. I could put some more lead in the top edge slowly if I wanted to, but I think we're going to end up filling it. The lead's idea is to stop it rusting. The rest of it, well, you know, hey, watch me when I do this one. This is the one. This one down here is the one I'm not looking forward to, right? Okay. That one, it's had a baked bean tin welded in the back of it. It's through here to the inner edge. This you can't see because it's inside. So I'm going to have a go at maybe weld a piece of metal into here. And I'm going to try and fill that full of lead. Alright, so that's the plan. I'll give it a go. I've only cut the bottles of wine now, so I'm a bit more enthusiastic than I was. So I'll go and go that way. Now, remember, 30 years, I haven't got the bits I need. I really don't have what I need. Really good. But I'm going to have to use what I've got, so use what I've got. Make sense? There we go. Melt. Triggers not to get too much heat. Get enough to be able to keep going, keep filling. I'm filling a big bloody hole here, which is really quite annoying. So I'm going to have to keep going at it a little bit. Without the help of my bit of wood, which I keep talking about, it's pretty bloody hard. What's the difference between it all slumping or it going in and staying in? Staying in is my favourite bit about this job. Well, it's slumping and falling out, but I'm going to have a bit of trouble with that bloody hole. I wanted to weld that up, by the way, but I decided I wouldn't bother. So I just keep working stuff into it, tidy it up back if it comes over. All the young people out there who are the professionals, they say, yeah, you did it all wrong. But to be honest, guys, this is how I did it 30 years ago, and some of the stuff I did is still going to today. I still own it, so I'd love to be able to have the right bit of material I need, but I haven't, so I'm struggling with that at the minute. I don't want to get too much heat in it, but I need enough heat to make this work. That's what time you get too much heat, you get a massive run like I got there. See that? That's too much heat on the material. That's way too much heat on the material, and it causes it to turn into a bloody classic landslide of non-molten material. But, if I have my bit of wood now, I can be really getting involved in this, making this a lot nicer. Well, no, I haven't got my bit of wood, so I'm going to have to keep doing what I'm doing. Not until tomorrow, until I get to a charity shop. So, if you guys feel better, just don't worry about it. It's not your car, is it? Don't worry about it. Alright, there you go. So that's... Oh, I could do a bit more. Yeah, do a bit more up there. Hold on, give me a second. I've got a big hole, as you do. There's a massive hole here. And the problem I'm having is I'm getting it sagging into the hole. So I need to try and keep building it up. So I don't want to actually have to do too much in the way of filling it. So for the minute I'll just keep trying to keep getting that old stuff to stick, but I've got to get it when it's at the right temperature. Without a bit of wood, so I keep talking about it. I know you're going to say you should have only got the bloody bit, shouldn't you? Stop talking about it, just go and get it. I can't, I'm having trouble because I haven't got a piece of wood, so I'm having to keep doing this like freehand, which is really bloody hard. I'm building up a lot of heat, which is really also quite annoying, because the more heat you build up, the more probably you're going to get. So I'm not sort of like saying to you guys, I'm doing it my way, yeah? Does that make sense? I'm doing it the edge shed way. Just trying to keep it, I want to keep as much of it as I can without letting it fall off, you understand? That's why hardwood is obviously the preferred option for this, not a piece of bloody skirt board. Right. That's it. That piece of skirt board's going in the bin. I've had enough. 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 Now, guys, did you see that? Are you're not suitably impressed, are you? Nope, I can see you're not. But I hope you saw what I was doing. It ain't that scary. It might seem scary, but it ain't that scary. It's very similar to body fella. Just, it gets hot, that's all. And if you're not careful, you end up with all the stuff you've got there on the floor. So, obviously, from that point of view, I don't want it all on the bloody floor. I want it in that bloody hole. So I still got that bit which I didn't like. Now that's really hard to fill. Maybe it's because it's rusty, and two, because I didn't flux it very well on that side. So, what I have to say, guys, that for the minute, other than that's not a hole, that's just a low spot in the thing, and we got the hole there. So that's, I will sort the hole. Trust me, I've got an idea for it. I've got an idea. I'm going to get a copper penny or a copper coin, cut it in half. I'm going to possibly very quickly just put a blob of egg on it, but we'll see. But for the minute, I don't know whether you can see that, whether you are interested, but yeah, that's body solder. So, that's all I can say. Bye.